You try to budget, but by the second week, you're already off track and you don't even know where it went wrong. Let's be honest. You've tried this before. You plan it out. You say, all right, this month going to be different. Then real life step in. Bills shift, something comes up, you spend a little here, a little there. Next thing you know, the plan gone. And you're back to guessing again. Here's the real issue. Most budgets don't match how money actually moves. You plan for the month, but you spend every day. And on top of that, your money still mixed together. So even if you budget, you don't really know what you're spending. That's why it keeps falling apart. Mistake number one, you budget after you spend. You spend first, then try to adjust later. By then, the damage already done. Mistake number two, you think monthly, not daily. You say, I'll manage for the month, but spending happens every day, every stop, every decision. That's where money slips away. Mistake number three, you have everything in one place, one account, everything inside. So you can't tell what's already committed, what's safe to use. And that's how bail money gets spent. All right, let's fix this in a way that actually works. Simple. Step one, work with your real pay. Start with what actually hits your account, not your gross, your take home pay. Step two, separate your money early. Before you start spending, split your money. Bills, living to include food and transport, and personal. Same structure, because if everything mix up, you lose control. Step three, lock bills first. Handle your fixed expenses early. Rent, light, water, phone, internet. Add them up. That's your non-negotiable amount. Step four, set your weekly living limit. This part is key. Take your living money and break it into weeks. Example, if you have $40,000 for living, that's $10,000 per week. Now you know how much you can spend each week. Not guess, no. Step five, respect the limits. This is where discipline comes in. Your personal money is your freedom, but once it's done, it's done. No dipping into bill money. If you don't separate and pace your money like this, budgeting will always feel like it's not working. You can usually see this pattern play out in people's focus during the month. So here's what actually works. Use your real take home pay, separate your money first, handle bills first, and control spending week by week. Budgeting is not about writing numbers, it's about controlling how your money moves. Now, here's the thing, even if you budget properly, if you don't understand where your money is actually going, you still feel stuck. So, our next video is where your money is really going. Jamaican salary breakdown. Watch that next. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.